what do we got here? What's in this big box? Let's open it up and let's see. Wow, interesting. Very interesting. What is all that? Here's the big piece. Oh, wow. Do you know what this is? This is a 3D printer, which will be located in our newly created makerspace called The Forge here at Menomonee Falls Public Library. There's only one problem. I don't know how to work this thing. So if you could come down and we could figure this out together, well, that would be just fantastic. In fact, if you follow the link in this video, you'll be sent to a wish list where you, the patron, can help bring The Forge to life with items that we need. Thank you very much.